Good morning, AutoCraze fam. Nice and early down at the AutoCraze headquarters today. I've got a Rugged X behind me, which belongs to my main man, Ahmed. Now, Ahmed, he came in here, he said, 1, 2, 3, I want it to look different. Now, obviously with the Rugged X, he can't do much. AutoCraze always finds a way to do things right. We're taking the Rugged X bar off, putting a rubber bar on there in a satin black powder coated finish. I don't want to throw too much off, guys. You do the watching. We'll see you later.
Yo!
Alright guys, the rival Rugged X is done and dusted. This is my bro here, Ahmed. Excited?
I'm very excited. We're waiting.
Alright guys, let's do this. Ahmed, come through my bro.
Yeah, looks good, bro. Yeah, looks good. I'm gonna take off my sunnies now. Nah, very good. Yeah, bro. That looks sick.
Guys, rivaled Rugged X.
Wow.
Rival front bar, we had to do it right. Put a winch in there. Fuel Coverts, 17s wrapped up in the Yokohama G003s, 2-inch Dobinson's lift. Right.
Wow. Mate, no sugarcoating. This is exactly what I was after.
Now guys, Ahmed, remember what we spoke about? The rival bar comes in a matte finish. We've done it in a satin powder coat to match your rear bar and the sports bar on the Rugged X. The shackles, busted my balls about the shackles, bro, they're on there. The winch, the red bash plate, the red TRD bash plate, the genuine TRD Toyota grill which you gave us. Mate, that's a cut.
No joke, I was calling this guy at 8 o'clock at night. Never ever let me down, not once. Always answered, always got back to me. 10 out of 10 service. I done my research, I'm a picky person, I'll tell ya. And anyone that knows me, knows how picky I am, he smashed it. 10 out of 10, AutoCraze. Adam, he smashed it. 8 o'clock at night I was calling him, 9 o'clock at night, 6 o'clock in the morning, he was.
And yes, I was answering, so guys, I will answer 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock, whatever it may be. But we're always happy to help you guys out. 100%. Ahmed, I've got one more thing for you, brother. You've officially been AutoCraze, my bro.
Alright, boys, thank you.